In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make a simple magnet polarity tester. Any magnet has two poles, north and south. The educational magnets that used in the schools like this one came with known polarity. So the manufacturer mentioned which pole is north and which pole is south by using two different colors and even two ladders. But on the other hand, you can never find industrial magnet with known polarity. In some applications, you need to know the polarity of your magnet, such as making motor or generator using permanent magnets. However, you can find out the polarity using traditional methods, such as using compass or another magnet with known poles. But I would like to do that using an electronic circuit. Here I have this IC which is 277. You can find this IC inside any PC cooling fan. It is Hall effect sensor and works with voltage range from 2.8 volt up to 24 volt. You can see the circuit here in the datasheet. You just need to replace the coil of the motor with two LEDs. So when the first LED lights up, that means the magnet pole is north. And if the second LED lights up, that means the magnet pole is south. Here you can see the two outputs of the IC on the scope display. I used 10K pull-up resistor for each output by changing the polarity of the magnet each time one output goes down to the ground. So very simple. However, I want to use 7-segment display instead of LEDs. I need to display ladder N and ladder S on the 7-segment. If you look at them, you can see some segments in both cases lights up. Segment A, C, and F. So we can connect them directly to the VCC. The other segments of the two ladders switched on and off using 2 PNP transistor. I turned this circuit to PCB and ordered it from PCBWay.com. I received it after about 2 weeks. Then I soldered the components on the PCB. I used a reed switch here in series with the battery. So it disconnects the battery from the circuit when no magnet exists around. By this simple trick, you can make the battery last long for years. I print an enclosure using my 3D printer. And finally, as you can see, the circuit working well. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.